Understanding a heartfelt tribute. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase in the English language, a heartfelt tribute. This phrase carries emotional weight and significance, so understanding its usage and context can enhance your English communication, especially in formal and respectful settings. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it effectively. A heartfelt tribute combines two key words, heartfelt and tribute. Let's look at each word individually. Heartfelt means something that is deeply felt or sincere. It comes from the heart, implying genuine emotion and warmth. Tribute refers to an act, statement, or gift that is intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. When combined, a heartfelt tribute is a gesture or expression that sincerely conveys respect, admiration, or gratitude, coming from a deep, emotional place within the speaker or presenter. This phrase is often used in contexts where respect and honor are being shown, such as during memorials or funerals, to honor someone who has passed away, retirement ceremonies, to show appreciation for someone's years of service, award speeches, to recognize someone's contributions or achievements, personal moments, like celebrating a mentor, teacher, or loved one. To use a heartfelt tribute effectively, focus on being genuine and expressing true feelings. It could be in the form of a speech, a written letter, a video, or even a piece of art. The key is that the tribute should reflect deep appreciation and respect for the individual or group being honored. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to incorporate a heartfelt tribute into your speech or writing. During the ceremony, they paid a heartfelt tribute to the founder for his decades of dedication. The documentary serves as a heartfelt tribute to the heroes of the community, showcasing their sacrifices. She wrote a heartfelt tribute to her mentor, expressing her deep gratitude for the guidance and support. A heartfelt tribute is a powerful phrase that allows us to express our deepest respects and admiration towards someone or something. Whether it's through words, actions, or creative expressions, making your tribute heartfelt ensures that your message of appreciation is clearly understood and felt. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of a heartfelt tribute and inspired you to use it in your own meaningful ways. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.